Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off auto download on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is simply access your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Now tap on this option of settings in the bottom right. Now over here, simply scroll a bit and tap on this option of storage and data. So here you can see we have this photos. Over here we have Wi-Fi and cellular, it is set for that. Same for our videos and audio, and they are simply select to media auto download. So for that matter, if you would like to simply turn it off, we can simply tap on him like photos, and now tap on this never, go back, do the same for your audio, video and documents accordingly. Once you have set this to never, that means in any way when you're using your WhatsApp, whether it is on your cellular data or your Wi-Fi, none of the documents will be auto saved on your device. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.